What's up, everybody? Today we got a 2018 Ford Escape 1.5 EcoBoost. So it was brought by another shop. It looks like they replaced the engine. After replacing the engine, it wouldn't start. So one of the areas that I like to check is the crank pulley has a tone wheel that sits right behind it, where the crank shaft position sensor reads, and this is what we found. So if you look at the tone wheel, it was damaged. So I believe that this is the reason why it's not starting. Actually, I know that's the reason why it's not starting. So we're gonna order a new crankshaft pulley and see what happens. We'll go from there.